In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wix to Facebook Shop. We'll walk through the exact clicks in Wix and add a few helpful tips so your products sync smoothly to Facebook. Start by heading to wix.com and signing in. Once you're in, make sure you're on the correct site dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, confirm you've selected the one you want to connect so the apps install in the right place. On the left-hand menu, open Apps, then choose App Market. This is the central hub where you'll find and add everything you need. Before you can connect to Facebook, your site must have Wix stores installed. That's required because Facebook pulls your catalog from your store, and Wix stores provides your product pages, collections, inventory, and checkout structure. In the App Market search bar, type Wix stores. Click the Wix stores app in the results, then select Add to Site. Wix may add standard store pages like Shop, Product Page, Cart, and Checkout. Let the installation finish and you'll see store settings appear in your dashboard. If you already had Wix stores installed, you're good to go and can move straight on. With Wix stores in place, head back into the app market. In the search bar, type Facebook Shop. Look for the app called Facebook Shops by GoDataFeed. This app creates a live product feed from your Wix catalog to Facebook so items can appear in your Facebook shop and be available for shopping tags. Click it, then choose Add to Site to install. Give it a moment to complete. Once added, you'll access its settings from your Wix dashboard. After installation, the app will guide you through setup. You'll typically review feed details and, when prompted, sign in to your Facebook account to link the correct business assets. Make sure your products in Wix stores have clear titles, detailed descriptions, accurate prices, high-quality images, and correct availability because Facebook reads that data directly. If an item doesn't appear on Facebook, it's often due to missing fields or a policy issue. Fix the product in Wix stores, then resync from the app. That's the full flow. Open Wix, go to Apps, enter the app market, add Wix stores, then search for Facebook Shops by GoDataFeed and add it to your site. Keep your catalog up to date in Wix stores, and the integration will keep your Facebook shop in sync. If you ever run into errors, revisit the app's settings from your dashboard to refresh the connection, check your feed, and confirm your products meet Facebook's requirements.